Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, I'm not going to harp on it like I did yesterday. If you want my lecture for people that just can't seem to buy the market, go ahead and, it was 7 minutes of me really sitting down with you and saying, look, this is what you need to do in this tape. They walked it down a little bit yesterday, and then they spent the rest of the day jamming it up in the bears' faces. We printed 35.87 late in Globex yesterday. Printed 86 and change last night. We're trading 60 to 58 right now. They sold the Europe Open and they're walking it down into our Open. I have to wonder whether they're just walking it down to buy the dip and heading back higher. If the answer is yes, then it should challenge the upper band again at 35.76 and challenge that area at 35.87. We've been riding the upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart now. 8 sessions, it'll be a 9th, as we've already engaged the band in this Globex. The bands are expanded, but they're not blown out. Not the way we've seen the band distances basically throughout the summer. So on an hourly chart, if the bears are going to get this done, they need to convert the hourly midband. Hourly midband right now is 35.72.5. Volume weighted average price comes in 71.25. Our proprietary moving average at 65. Daily pivot, right around 60, 63.5. They need to convert these areas, and they need to keep them converted for the entirety of the regular session. You can't keep hopping up above. You're going to have a problem. So, compression, expansion, hourly mid was tested yesterday. It held, and you see the byproduct of that. They've been below it now going on 4 hours. They need to stay below it, and they need to get back into the area that they launched it from yesterday afternoon, or yesterday morning rather, right down around 33.75. If they can put a day together, then, if they hold these areas, at least heading into the jobs report tomorrow, there's something to discuss. We'll talk about jobs tomorrow when it comes. My whole thing is don't make any assumptions either way about what jobs is going to do, which, that's always my mantra anyway, but this is a particularly well-placed data point, either for the bulls to go over 3,600 with some fervor or for the whole party to be over very rapidly. And making assumptions one way or the other can really get you smoked, so be careful with that. So off the open today, we open in about 20 minutes. This whole chunk of price between 65 and 72 is going to be important. And I should say 73. 65 to 73 is a chunk of price that you don't really want to be trading much inside of that because it's going to get choppy, but you want to be long above it and you want to be short below it to get the key move of the morning. So that's how we're going to play it. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I will talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.PrincetonTrader.com. Trade them well.